Welcome back to the channel Future Speed Hub 2026. Today we are going to explore one of the most mysterious and advanced stealth drones in the world, the RQ-170 Sentinel. This aircraft has captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and military experts alike because of its unique design, secretive missions, and advanced stealth technology. Nicknamed the Beast of Kandahar, after it was first spotted in Afghanistan, the RQ-170 represents the cutting edge of aerial reconnaissance and unmanned stealth operations. The RQ-170 Sentinel was developed by Lockheed Martin's legendary Skunk Works division, the same team behind iconic aircraft such as the U-2, SR-71 Blackbird, and F-117 Nighthawk. Its main purpose is high-altitude, long-endurance reconnaissance in areas where traditional aircraft or satellites might be too vulnerable or too limited. Unlike drones like the MQ-9 Reaper that are built for both surveillance and strike missions, the RQ-170 is designed purely for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Its smooth, flying wing design and radar-absorbent coating make it difficult to detect by enemy radar, giving it the ability to operate in contested or hostile airspace where other aircraft cannot. The Sentinel gained worldwide attention in 2011 when one was captured almost intact in Iran. This incident revealed to the world just how advanced the drone actually was. Before that, very few details were officially known about the aircraft, and even today, most of its capabilities remain classified. From what is visible, the RQ-170 uses a flying wing design similar to the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, though on a smaller scale. It is believed to have an advanced sensor suite including electro-optical cameras, infrared sensors, and possibly synthetic aperture radar. These allow it to gather real-time intelligence across vast areas, day or night, and in almost any weather condition. Another fascinating aspect of the RQ-170 is its operational history. Reports suggest it played a crucial role in the raid that led to the elimination of Osama bin Laden in Pakistan in 2011. The drone is believed to have provided live surveillance during the mission, tracking the compound and confirming activity before and during the operation. This demonstrates the importance of stealth reconnaissance drones in modern warfare, where gathering precise intelligence can make the difference between success and failure. Unlike other large drones, the RQ-170 does not carry visible weapons, which means it focuses entirely on gathering intelligence rather than engaging targets. This is a key difference that separates it from drones like the MQ-9 Reaper or the MQ-1 Predator. Its value lies in its ability to stay hidden, collect data, and transmit it back to command centers without being detected. Some analysts believe that the RQ-170 may also have the ability to perform electronic warfare functions, such as jamming or hacking enemy communication systems, though these capabilities remain unconfirmed by official sources. When it comes to performance, details are scarce due to the classified nature of the program. However, experts estimate its wingspan to be around 65 feet, with an endurance of several hours and the ability to fly at medium to high altitudes. Its stealth features suggest it can penetrate deep into enemy territory and operate close to high-value targets without being tracked. This makes it an invaluable tool for missions that require secrecy and precision. The RQ-170 Sentinel represents the future of unmanned aerial surveillance. As technology continues to advance, drones like this will play an even greater role in intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and possibly autonomous operations. The rise of stealth UAVs demonstrates how modern militaries are shifting away from traditional piloted reconnaissance aircraft and moving towards more flexible, unmanned systems. This shift reduces risk to human pilots while also allowing militaries to perform missions in areas that were once considered unreachable. For aviation fans and defense enthusiasts, the RQ-170 Sentinel remains a symbol of secrecy and technological superiority. Even with limited public information, we can see that it is one of the most advanced stealth drones ever created. It combines cutting-edge design, powerful sensors, and unmatched stealth capabilities to deliver critical intelligence on the battlefield. While many details remain hidden behind classified walls, one thing is clear: the RQ-170 has already proven its value and will continue to influence the development of future unmanned systems. That's all for today's deep dive into the RQ-170 Sentinel, the Beast of Kandahar. It's a drone that embodies mystery, stealth, and power, and even though much about it remains secret, the little we do know is enough to show how advanced and game-changing it really is. Thank you for watching Future Speed Hub 2026. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about military technology, aviation, and the future of speed. I will see you in the next video.